Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's tutorial will be based on how to cut Bubu jumpsuit with the explanation on how to sew. Let's begin the cutting. Welcome to the cutting section. Now, the measurements for this style, the full length, I'm using 57 for the full length. I'm using this for the pattern illustration. So now, if you want to use a fabric, you are going to use 3.5 yards because it's a long sleeve, so you're going to use 3.5 yards of fabric. But it depends on how big you want the bubu to be. It might not be a long sleeve you want. It might be a short sleeve, so it depends. So if you want that particular style to be like that, you are using 3.5 yards of fabric. So here I'm using this for the paper illustration. So the length I'm using here is 57. You can see this is the length, 57. So I've already folded this into two. So after folding it into two like this, then you fold it into four like this. For this type of style, you don't need much measurement. You only need the sleeve length, the full length, and the flap. That's what you need. If you want to shape it, that's when you need the real measurement for it. But while cutting it out, you only need the length, the flap, and the sleeve, the long sleeve. So yeah, like I said earlier, I said the length is 57. I'm using 57 for the length, yeah, like this. This is my 57 inches. Like I said earlier, this is into 4, and this is the length, the 57 inches. Then the next thing I'm going to do here is to measure the sleeve length. The actual back I'm using here is 7 inches. The longness of the sleeve will depend on the yards you are using. Assuming you're using 3.5, that means you are dealing with 30 inches of the sleeve. As in the length of the sleeve you are dealing with would be 30 inches. So after this, I said this is 7 inches for the back. Then this remaining one is for the sleeve. So this is 8.5 inches for the sleeve. But if you are using 3.5 yards of fabric, the length of the sleeve will be more longer than this. So it depends on the yards of the fabric you are using. That will depend on the length of the sleeve. So if you want your bubu to be more bigger, you increase the yard. To determine the flap, so you pick your tape, place it from the shoulder to the half cut here. In my half cut here, I'm using 15 inches for the half cut. Then from this 15 inches, I'll make use of 9 inches. That will be my hip point. This is my hip point, 9 inches. So when you take your tape from the up to, you see this is 24.1 inches. So this is for length 57. So now from here to the length here, there will be an opening where the two legs pass through. So from the hip point here to the full length over here, there will be an opening where the legs will pass through. So now I'm going to cut it out with at least 1.5 inches. One and a half inches here too. Just determine 1.5 inches down. 1.5 inches here too. Don't forget this is the hip point. So 1.5 here too. So I want to shape it out for the two edges not to be touching the ground. So I'll puff it out for you to see now. You can as well leave it like that, but the two edges at the side will be touching the ground. So can see it. Now I'm going to cut out the flap. So I'll join my sketch. So now I'll cut it out. So from here, don't make it straight, make it curve. So the next thing I'm going to do here, if you check the picture very well, you'll see it's a round neck. It's a round neck, and there's an elastic around the neck. So if you want your own to be like that, fine. And if you don't want it to be like that, you can make it any style of your choice. So now I'm going to cut it exactly how it's being cut over there. So the wideness of the sleeve here, the wideness of the neck here, I'm using 5 inches, and the deepness too, I'm using 5 inches, because there'll be an elastic around the neck. So from here, I'm going to make my cuff. So you can decide to make it this way too, just for you to get the perfect round shape. So then you join the sketch together like this. Then you cut it out. So now you can now open it. So this is how Bubu Jumpsuit is going to look like. You can see it. Then after joining the shoulder, join the second shoulder too. You turn the neck, then you put your elastic. After then, you turn the edges here, and you tape the edges there with a bias, so it will look neat. Then after taping the side, when you're through with the taping of the sides, then you will top stitch here too with an 1/2 inch. Top stitch it. Then after then you're going to shape it with your measurement. This is the point you're going to make use of the bust size, the waist, and the hip, and that's how it's going to look. So make sure you practice it out. Hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye. So if you want to determine your flap, you take a tape pull from the half cut at the front. Let it pass through your laps. Let it pass through the laps, then to the back. At the same point, you start the tape pull from. Once again, if you want to determine the flap, it's a jumpsuit, so you need a flap here. If you want to determine the flap, you take a tape pull, start from the half cut at the front, take it through the laps to the half cut at the back. That will give you your flap.